Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer listings with Wix, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring listings with Wix, log in to your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the website that contains the listings you want to transfer. Click on the Store or Products section in the left sidebar. Locate the listings you wish to transfer. Select the specific listing by clicking on it. You will see a detailed view of the listing. Click on the duplicate option to create a copy of the listing. Once duplicated, navigate back to your dashboard. Select the website where you want the listings to be transferred. Go to the Store or Products section of the new website's dashboard. Click on Add New Product to access the product setup page. Here, paste the details from the duplicated listing. This includes the title, description, images, and pricing information. After you have filled in the details, review them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Publish button. Repeat this process for each listing you want to transfer. If you have many listings, consider exporting them for easier transfer. To export, use the Wix Product Export feature found in the Store settings. Follow the prompts to download the listings in a CSV file format. Next, head back to the new website's dashboard. Use the Import Products feature to upload the CSV file. Follow the instructions to map the fields correctly. Once the import is complete, check each listing for accuracy. You can now organize your listings as needed. Finally, preview the new website to ensure everything looks right. Your listings are now successfully transferred to your new Wix site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.